Hi there, I'm Jose Jr. from the LZ Real Estate team here at REMAX, and I want to say thank you to everyone who came out to our open houses at 212 West Volant Street. And when you showed up for the open house, we had you sign up at our sheet, and while this was partially for the seller's benefit, we also were holding a raffle for a copy of Jacksonville-opoly. So, what we're going to do right now is I'm going to hit the spinning wheel, and everyone who signed into that sheet is entering a chance to win. So, let's see who our lucky person's going to be today. Alright, and Benjamin B. Alright, you're a lucky winner. So, I'll be reaching out to you, and thank you again for everyone for coming out to our open house. Take care now. Bye.